update video from earlier. I'm sure y'all remember what it looked like. Don't mind the just trying to kill a few bugs. You know, yeah, rock pile there is gone, and all the grass is gone. Hand pulled. Nah, I didn't weed eat nothing. Didn't hoe nothing. All the grass is pulled. Y'all that know this course, a few things. I'm trying to divert some water. So, because the water comes out from the neighbor's fence right there, and it had that. You seen that earlier. Just so you know, we'll come down here. You can see just how far up. But got it all redone. Still have a few little rocks left over. This ought to be more challenging, guys. There you go. But that's where it's at now. All the flowers are going good out here, except on this side for some reason. They're growing, but not that well. I don't think they're getting enough sunshine. There you go. Whew. It's a muggy sucker. There you go. Trying to divert water. Had to do what you got to do. I may end up sprinkling some Quikrete down in that just to give it a base. Make sure it's all done. There we go. Move those to there. And now you got a bridge. All right. Sorry for the shaky video, but don't know what to call this place yet. Optional, put water in it. Depends on if you're waterproofed. Right now, nothing I've got's waterproofed. Well, I take that back. The Power Wagon is waterproofed except for the steering servo, which burn up. And Brenda's Honcho is waterproof except for the lighting box. But I'm trying to get it tucked up out of the way so it won't get wet. But there we go. That looks like it's going to be fun. Let's see if I can put this down on the ground. Yeah, that ought to be pretty interesting. A lot of gaps to go. So, Class 1, definitely going to be a challenge. All right, thank you, and have a great day.